Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the tallest statue ever built by humans. A structure so massive, it towers over everything around it. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because today's story is about scale, history, and engineering. The world's tallest statue, the largest statue in the world, is the Statue of Unity. Located in India, this monumental structure reaches a height of 182 meters. That's taller than most skyscrapers. And nearly twice the height of the Statue of Liberty. Who does it represent? The Statue of Unity represents Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was one of India's most important leaders. Known as the Iron Man of India, he played a key role in uniting the country after independence. The statue was built to honor his legacy. A massive engineering project. Construction of the Statue of Unity began in 2013, and it was completed in 2018. The project involved thousands of workers and engineers. The structure is made of reinforced concrete steel framework, bronze, cladding. Despite its size, it is designed to withstand strong winds and earthquakes. Built in a unique location. Statue stands near the Narmada River in the Indian state of Gujarat. It is placed on an island called Sodubet, surrounded by water and mountains. The location enhances its dramatic appearance. Visitors can view the statue from long distances. Inside the Statue of Unity is a viewing gallery located at about 153 meters high. From there, visitors can see panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The statue also includes elevators and exhibition halls, making it both a monument and a tourist attraction. How it compares before this: the tallest statue was the Spring Temple Buddha in China. But the Statue of Unity surpassed it by a significant margin. Its height of 182 meters makes it the undisputed tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity is more than just a statue. It is a symbol of unity, history, and human ambition. A structure built at an almost unimaginable scale, and a reminder that humans continue to push the limits of engineering.